Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the OMNI Academy and Consulting. This video title is Configuring Zoho CRM Calculated and Formula Fields. So in this video, I am going to create 4 number fields on accounts, installment 1, installment 2, installment 3 and the package. And I also create 2 function fields on accounts, total and balance. And also show you the how to calculate the sum of the 3 fields, installment 1, 2, 3, and the result will be the total of these 3 fields. And also show you the calculate balance by using expression which is package minus total. This is the fields look like after the calculation, and you can see the 3 number fields which value is 1000, and the total is the sum of the 3 fields, installment 1, installment 2 and installment 3, and package is a number field which you can enter, and the last one is the balance, in which the package minus total calculated in the balance field. This is the Zoho CRM UI, and you can see the accounts module. So here you can see the formula to calculate the fields and find out the total and balance. In the total formula, you can see the expression format, which dollar is the sign to call the field, and in the brackets accounts is the module name, which module you are using, and after that the field name, and bracket close. After that the plus sign, plus operator to find the sum of these 3 fields, and the same dollar sign to call the field from the system, and module name accounts, then installment 2, this is the field name, and after that the plus and the same accounts and the installment 3. So the second expression is for the balance, and to calculate the balance we are using the package field. Package is a number field, and you can enter any number in this field. Simply use your module name and dot after that field name, which is package, and then minus operator. In the bracket I use the same formula of the sum, because the total is the calculated field, so we cannot use the total field in the expression. So that's why I'm using the full formula of total, which is module name dot and field name and plus operator. So let's go to the application and let's create a field. So first login into the Zoho CRM. Press login button and write your username and password. Here you can see the different modules of Zoho CRM. So I'm going to add new fields on the accounts module. For add new fields, first click on setting and go to the customization and modules and fields. Click on modules and fields. Now select your module on which you want to create new fields. Click on accounts, and so accounts using a standard layout. Click on standard, and this is the layout setting. Here you can see the new fields, functions, and formulas, lookup values, checkbox. You can see the different controls here. So we are going to create number fields. First, click on number and drag and drop. This is a simply drag and drop UI. So drag 4 fields and write the name. First field name is installation 1. So, installment 1. The second is installment 2. Installment 2. And the third is installment 3. And the last one is package. Now I am creating a 2 functions field. The first one is the total of this is the total field of installation 1 and installment 1, installment 2 and installment 3. You can simply select the field from here and click on insert. The field automatically insert in the formula expression. So first select installment 1 and click insert. You can see the formula which is automatically generated. Accounts is the module name dot installment 1, the field name. Now you can select any operator from the operator column. They are creating the sum of 3 fields, so we use add button, add operator as simply insert, and you can see the insert sign. Now select installment 2 and again add button and the third field. Simply done. And change the name of the field, which is total. Now create the second function field. Simply drop the formula field in the last and change the label of the field, balance, and the formula balance formula is package minus package. Subtract and bracket open and bracket close. Now write the total formula. Installment 1 installment 2 plus installment 3. Write the bracket at the end. Verify your formula. So click on check syntax, no syntax error. So press done. Now simply you can see the total field, and after that package and balance. Simply save and close. Now click on accounts module and click on any account, and here you can see the fields. So these are the fields which I have added. Installment 1, enter any value in installment 1, 1000, and press save. You can see the formula fields auto populated, and calculate the value. Press 1000 in the installment 2 and save. You can see the total field, the sum formula, calculate the values which I have entered, and the third one is 1000. The total will be 3000. And this is the package field. If I enter the value in the package field, then the balance field calculate the formula for balance. So if I entered 5000 and save, so you can see the formula is the formula of balance is package minus total. So package minus total means 5000 minus 3000. The balance is 2000. So thank you for joining us. I am Uzair Ahmed from OMNI Academy and Consulting.